Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya Hlazia. You know, Baloyi has been repeating himself for the past, I don't know how many weeks. Because at some stage, I give about 7 to 8 weeks, but Ramosipile last week said it was 10 weeks. It's a lot. Yo, hi, Shamo Baloyi. Now he's busy with the statement that made these people to be arrested. It's just like, this is a statement. Untanzi keeps on saying, bruh, I don't know anything about your dreadlocks that you keep uyawenza wafaka ikanda lami, literally. Like how I said the other day, when Brigadier Gininda came there at the mines, if he could, where's Mfaguntanzi a gold tooth? You know, like, you understand where I'm coming from. Just like, no, guys, Ubaloyi is busy because his problem, like I said, he thinks Untanzi also crack. And Untanzi is very clear about his stuff. Like how Ramosipilo was telling us last week, you know what? He wants to tire him. Oh, he wants him to be tired and be like, oh, yes, I did actually life sense. Because he keeps on repeating the same thing. Which I do not know these 4 guys. Basically, I mean, number 1 uyamazi, but the rest of them akabazi. And then you must force him to know them. And then they kill his story. Untanzi is just like akabosho nje. Funeka babosho nathi. Someone once said kwakufanele aba accuse number 0. But abanye bafila ukuthi accuse number 6 ukele. Kele nje ababoshwe laba bantu. I've always said they will sing like canaries. Once they are arrested, yes, like I said, Kelly is a snob, guys. She's definitely not the type that will stay in jail for 2 days without saying anything. You know? And then Kelly mastermind again. Like, we are just so tired of that story. It's like a broken record. Untanzi yakhuluma guys ngomlomo wakhe mesethi kuBaloyi ene if bungithole nginentshebe ngine-gold tooth and dreadlocks buzoma ngalezo zinto. Manje the problem, I don't even have those things. I've never had them, in fact. Mese kuzoba-ke uTumelo Madlani noZandile Khumalo-ke laba abanamanga kakhulu ababawu-2. You know the story. Angithi we've related it so many times ukuthi uZandile Khumalo. Angithi it's the whole thing yokuthi bathi bakhomba ecourt. That's how they had to put it. UZandile Khumalo, you know, he came to court before Hlala Pants, guys. She came up with some story. I was just like, this girl, how does she go on like this and go home and think she's happening in life? She was just like, you guys, you know, we've done it so many times on my channel. You guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. Go to her, Sisi, please. That performance and the drama, please sit down. You can't come to court. I was in extra. They haven't even asked you anything. Nanguwe performance. We are dramatic. They were just like police mapopol. Popol like it at some stage. A toilet or something. It will come in like you are born on Juguti. You don't get They were like, stop. I'm just like, can't. Guys, if you've been watching my videos since 2024, Umangena, Angithi uBaloyi was correct what Umangena. I ended up not knowing. So he came out again and get nama ballistics akamanga. I read guys a liar. Nah. So Usuntanzi listen, bruh. I don't care about Mangena or whoever he is. Uguti uyasho ukuthi enevele kwaDubleke endlini kanjani the way intruders. Asuntanzi anginandaba wasn't there. And also, obviously, into zakhe zohambelana ngoba umngani kaGininda. It's just like, I'm done. And bese ngimkhohlwe mina uMangena, guys. And I used to be busy with him in 2024, especially. I was just like, I don't understand this guy. Umuntu enjani lo? Usebenza like he's actually Gininda's entourage now. I'm like, wow, no mukhana, no mukhula. I'm like, abantu abanjani laba, guys?
Whilst I was still busy, Senzo jumped to Karos and the struggle ensued where one shot went off and the second shot hit Senzo as the firearm was pointed at his chest.
But Nathi ke ngisenza lokho njengoba ubusho ngaphambili ukuthi noma iyasho ngaphambili ukuthi ngithatha imali ngathi ke ngisebhizi ke ngalokho uSenzo waseJopa-ke eya kuCarlos yila abaqala khona ke ukulwisana saqhuma ke isibhamu saphinde saqhuma futhi ke uma siqhuma okwesibili ke samshaya uSenzo nanjengoba isibhamu sasikhombe esifubeni kuyena.
Kusenkantolo mina ngikwazi.
My Lord, I don't know about that.
Azange ubhale statement kusenkantolo.
I never wrote a statement, my Lord.
Lesibhamu sasiqhuma ngangengekho lapho.
Even the shot that went off, my Lord, the firearm that went off, I was not there.
You see, the fact that shots were fired, and in particular that 2 shots were fired, accords with what the ballistic experts, Lieutenant Colonel Mangena, testified about.
Lokhu kokuthi ke isibhamu saqhuma nokuthi ke saqhuma ke amahlandla amabili lokho kuyahambisana ke nobufakazi ke bongoti beyibhamu uLieutenant Colonel Mangena.
Kufanele khambisana ukuthi Mangena umngane kaGineta basenza amaphoyisa okanye.
It has to accord. Is Mangena not? Oh, Mangena is Geninda's friend. They are all police officers. They work together.
Futhi uGineta itatimende ubenazo zotumelo madala zozandi zobabantu besendile ubenazo itatimende lakho.
And Geninda was in possession of the statements of the people that were in the house, Sandi Kumalo, Tumelo Madlala.
And the witnesses who were in the house in particular, Ms. Zandile Kumalo and Tumelo Madlala, testified that there was a struggle between the late Mr. Senzo Meiwa and the dreadlocked intruder who was armed.
Nobufakazi ke babo abantu babesendlini oDumelo Madlala oZandi Khumalo bashilo ke kubufakazi babo ukuthi kwakukhona ke kuliswana kwakukhona ke phakathi kwakhe uSenzo Meiwa kanye ke nalo owangena ke owaye nama dreadlocks.
Kusho abantu babesendlini ngathi.
That's what the people in the house were saying, not so. I was not there.
And that Mr. Senzo Meiwa was shot in the process.
Nokuthi ke ukona ke lokho wabe seyadubuleka ke uSenzo Meiwa.
Mina ngangingekho lapho futhi angibona ngibona babe khona.
I was not there. I did not see. They are the ones that were there.
And the statement continues. The second shot hit Senzo as the firearm was pointed at his chest. The post-mortem report, as well as the evidence of the ballistic expert, Colonel Mangena, confirmed that the deceased was shot in the chest. Pathologists also came and testified to this effect.
Ukuthi ke isibhamu sakhuma ke ihlandla lesibili wabe seyadubuleka ke esifubeni uSenzo ubufakazi beyibhamu noma bakheke uLieutenant Colonel Mangena kuyaqinisekisa lokho kanye futhi ke nodokotela ke la umzimba ke ubhekwa khona ke kubheka ukuthi kwakuyini imbangela yokushona kwakhe nabo ke baqinisekisa ke lokho ukuthi ngempela wadujuka esifubeni.
Ngangingekho mthina kwezwayo lokho lezo.
I was not there when all of those were performed.
I ran out with the money and the cell phone, leaving cars behind. While Mapisa ran into the house.
Na baleka ke noma ngagijima ke ngiphuma nayo ke imali kanye cell phone ngishiya ke uCarlos ngasemuva Mapisa yena ke wabaleka wangena phakathi endlini.
Kusenkantolo ngangingekho lapho.
My Lord, I was not there.
Futhi angizange nje ngibe nomuntu othiwa uMaphisa ndiphinde ngami.
And I've never interacted with a person called Mapisa in my life.
Now, as we have just posited to you that none of the witnesses testified that any of the intruders ran out with money. Now, if you say the police came with this version that was already written down, where will that information have emanated from?
Akukho noyedwa kofakazi ababizwa la enkantolo abethula ubufakazi ukuthi ke kunomuntu owaphuma ephuma nemali kulokhu kule nkulumo yakho ke yokuthi amaphoyisa eza naloku sekubhaliwe amaphoyisa akuthola kuphi ke lokho
mina ngazo ngoba ngithenda phambi kokuthi ngibhale statement.
I don't know because I said before the court that I never wrote a statement.
Mina ngeke ngasho ngathi lapha court kusengoye meeting.
I did say that here in court what's happening here is that lies are coming out here in court.
Ngoba nasi statement sinamagama abantu magama abantu bengingabazi protect manje court ngibhale statement njeni court ngibhale statement.
Because here it is before the court that he has a statement with names that are mentioned, and I told the court that people that are unknown to me, and I told the court or informed the court that I never wrote a statement.
I then proceeded directly to the silver polo was parked.
Ngase ngiqhubeka ke ngiya la ipolo esilver eyayime khona.
Constable Zungu has testified about the silver polo.
Uconstable Zungu ubethuleke ubufakazi ngepolo elisilver.
Mina ngilazi.
I have no knowledge of a silver polo.
I waited in the car with Nkani.
I thought we were finishing.
Within a short period of time, I was joined by Karos, Muzi Sibia, and Mapisa.
Ngalinda ke emotweni kanye naye unkani akubanga isikhathi eside kwafika ke uKarlos Muzisibiya kanye noMaphisa.
Mami ngekho lapho ngosiphatha.
I was not there, my lord.
We then left for Phosphorus Hostel.